Welcome back. Here we are. One last push, one last video to try finish this storage bin upload that we've been working on so hard. Well, I've been working on so hard and you've been watching very patiently and with a lot of attention. So let's go back to SAP. Let's actually have a look at how things work out with our file that we prepared in the last video. We're gonna try now upload that file and cross our fingers, hope everything goes well. Great, so we're back and here in the interfaces data upload, so EWM interfaces data upload SBUP, we have the transaction. I'm gonna close a few other screens I have open just to not make any confusion, and we're gonna open the storage bin upload. The storage bin upload is here. We're ready to try again to upload, but this time we're gonna try use the file that has the right format. Hopefully it has the right format. It's called write template storage bin. Here it is. And yeah, let's try just execute, or should we debug? I'm faithful. Let's try execute. Let's see if it works, okay? If it doesn't, we'll debug and we'll figure out what might be wrong. Upload. Do you want to use this file? Yes, please access the file locally. Allow. Crossing fingers. Yay! We got it. Well, at least the data is here. Let's see, warehouse number KT01, that's great. Storage bin MJ99 test 01, that's great. Storage type 0020, that's great. And now you see all the rest of the data. Total capacity, maximum weight, blah, blah, blah. All right, we have all the data here. Okay. And it seems like we're ready to perform the creation of the bin. So as I click this button, create storage bin, the storage bin will be created. Let's cross our fingers once more. Create storage bins. One storage bin created, and we have the successful changes right here. So that means that if I go to the monitor now, I should be able to see this bin in warehouse number KT01, of course. Let's copy the bin. Let's open the monitor. /n/scwm/mon. Stock and bin, storage bin, paste. Ta-da! We have the bin. The bin is empty. It's all good. By the way, you see here there's an auto refresh every 10 minutes. That's nice. And there's the last time of the refresh. That's good. That's the setup of the monitor. And of course, if we click on the bin, we can see more details in the detailed transaction of the storage bin. Really, there's not much about this bin because we just provided the warehouse number, the storage bin, and the storage type, the minimum amount of data needed. So of course, I could go back now and maybe change some data in the file and try upload again. I'm not gonna do it now, but maybe one thing we can do now is if I try upload the bin again, I think it's also possible to massively delete the bins here and also to change the storage bins. But if I was to go back here and load the storage bin again, I think, let's see, upload, it's gonna upload the same data. So it's not gonna check if the bin is okay or not okay, or it exists or not. Basically, it's gonna upload the data here, and then if you want to change an existing bin, you can do it with change storage bins. So you could potentially even change existing bins, which is cool. Probably if I was doing this before the go live and everything is empty and the stock is not uploaded, I would just delete everything if I made some mistakes and redo it from scratch. That's what I would do. Okay, so what did we learn in this video? Well, first of all, that the debugging is a powerful skill, and even if you feel lost, it's a skill that can really save the day. But at the same time, you really need to know how to use it, and it might require a lot of time. The other thing we learned is that the file to be used, the format of the file for the storage bin upload is with the structure that I mentioned earlier. I don't remember by heart, but you have it in the previous video, so have a look. And that it's not that difficult to create the data once you know what you need to do, right? Now that we have the format of the file, now that we have one bin uploaded, we know it works, so we can build on that. It's just a matter of a little bit of time to figure out all the values, what's the right format, maybe the text or the length of the fields, or which fields are mandatory. If you start adding maximum weight, you most likely you also need the weight unit of measure, right? But basically it's all downhill now. Basically it's just a matter of preparing the data and uploading the data in the system. I hope you enjoyed it. I'm gonna make this file, the template file, available for you, so you can also just download it and don't waste all the time that I wasted in debug. But I really hope you were inspired and appreciated the effort to show you what you can do to really solve problems if no one is there to help you, no one is there to guide you, and really just take things in your own hand. The best SAP consultants, the best solution architects I met all know how to debug and are very wise on when and where to use it and how. Hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!